All right, it's project day. We're gonna get some more stuff done on the Durango. We recently got the bags put on and changed the tires so that they fit it better. Went from a 305 45 to a 285 35, so it tucks in real good. So here's what it looks like now that it's completed. So the next part of this process is we're going to start doing our add-on parts, because I didn't want to do that until we knew exactly how low it was going to go and what we could clear in the driveway and all that kind of mess. So check this out. Apologize if it's windy, but first thing we're going to do, I'm going to get rid of the stock diffuser, and we're going to go to the Sarona Design rear diffuser. It has the fins on it, kind of like my Charger does. So that's going to be first project today. If we get this done and everything's good, we might move on to the second project. And this is the second project if we get to it. This is the front lip add-on from Sarona Design. That'll make it look like it's actually sitting on the ground. So the first part, going to be removing all the screws. They're all star point screws along the base, and then what we'll do is we're going to pull this, and it should pull right off, and then we can get to the actual install part. All right, so all the bolts, all the little screws are out. There's the air tank for the air ride system. But yeah, all the screws out now. Just gonna pull the plastic off. All right, next we gotta undo this bolt and that bolt, and that's holding the back of the old diffuser up. But undo those bolts, and then that's basically what's holding up the bottom of the diffuser. All right, so before we do the final fitment, I'm applying a matte black finish with a 1K clear to protect it. So I've got a couple coats of the matte black on, and we'll do a couple more, and I'm gonna do the clear coat. Then give it time to dry, and then put them on. All right, paint's almost dry. I'm getting ready to put the rear diffuser on. I'm gonna save the front lip for another time. I'm gonna have to lift the Durango to put it on, because this is all one solid piece, and I gotta have the right angle to get up under there to do it. So today it's just gonna be finishing up the rear diffuser. So here's the back of the Durango, all cleaned up and ready for the pieces to be put back on. And yeah, it looks pretty cool like this, but wifey ain't gonna go for that, so we have to finish it up. All right, it's late, but we finally got it finished. I'll get a couple shots in the morning, daylight, before I post the video, but it's on. Okay, so this is the next morning. Definitely like the way it turned out. So yesterday when I was saying these were a pain to get out, the old diffuser, this is why. There are these tabs that went into the top of the diffuser across the top of it, and you had to pull these out from the inside underneath before you could slide the diffuser off. So that was a pain. This one was easier to pop on because there's no holes for those tabs, and it just went straight on. So final product, liking the look. Thanks for watching.